Okay, that's for WTBN.
Southeastern Cumberland County in central North Carolina until 6:45 p.m. At 6:15 p.m.
I was making sure their stream is up. Their stream is working now. I'm going to switch the scene to my main screen. There we go.
Moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard.
It is so bad. There is literally rotation right over me. It's like so bad there's rotation right over me, but literally only a special weather statement. I don't know what's up with you, Wilmington, but yeah.
Locations impacted include Fayetteville,
My literal camera's lagging.
Salmberg, Oakville, Vander, Bushy Lake Natural Area, and Cedar Creek. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The severe thunderstorm warning
Okay.
for southeastern Dillon, north central Orion, northeastern Marion counties is canceled. The severe thunderstorm which dropped into Warren County out of the Warren area. Therefore, the warning has been canceled.
I don't know what happened there. Alright, okay.